Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get stickers animations for your Instagram. So this tutorial will show you and will make you have the new collection for your stickers on the Telegram. So open the Telegram application, take a look on the button features. Now you just need to open the settings part, and in the settings now you just need to find this appearance. Just go click them, and right after that you just need to scrolling into the upper side, and you will see an animations and stickers and emoji. And you just need to open the stickers and emoji, and to get the new stickers you just need to take a look on the top side here, trending stickers. Go click them, and you just need to pick which sticker that you want to add into your Telegram. So let's say I would like to have the dogs. I also want to have this crocodile, and whenever you're done, go click done, and you now got the new stickers for your Telegram collection. So that is the way how to get stickers animation for your Telegram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.